Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking septic tanks, and in the event that you are curious what a septic tank cap looks like, we're going to show you. Let's go outside and take a look.
All right, YouTubers, we are outside, and believe it or not, our caps are inside our flower bed, which honestly, the more I think about it, that's awesome, because I didn't have to dig up any grass and ruin the lawn. And every 5 to 7 years, what we'll do is get the tank sumped or drained, and we'll redo the flower bed. That's no problem at all. However, let's take a look at the caps. This is our 1,500 gallon tank. It has 3 caps, and as you can see, circular caps. In the event that your septic tanks are 30 to 40, maybe 50 years old, you may have square caps. However, the modern design or newer design tanks, they have circle caps. And here is the cap for our baffle. And check that out right there. Warning, do not enter poison gas. Obviously, yeah, you do not want to go in there. And we dug up that because it's very important when they come out to sump the tanks, they inspect the baffle. And if our baffle's bad, we are going to get it replaced. The last thing you want to do is get your tanks drained and then have a failed baffle a few months later. That would not be good. Again, very important. I always recommend digging up that cap to give the company access to it so they can open that cap and inspect your baffle. Moving on to our third cap of our 1,500 gallon tank. No different than the other 2 caps. As you can see, circular in shape, not square. And there will always be a gap in between tank 1 and tank 2 in the event that you have more than one tank. And here is the only cap for our 1,000 gallon tank. So there's what the caps look like. And I'll be honest, YouTubers, the more preparation you can do prior to digging, the less digging you are going to do. So with that said, I have a link scrolling above. That is a link to our playlist that has several awesome and helpful videos that will help you find your caps. And the best way to look on your county website and find your caps. A couple tools you're going to need, and I talk about in different videos, is a shovel, a rake, and most importantly, a probe. That is the single most beneficial tool you can have when searching for your septic tanks. And again, in that playlist I had linked above, I have a few videos that shows you how to use that tool to locate your tanks. And then from there, you can pinpoint where exactly your caps are. As you can see, I dug the holes directly over the caps because I did my research and I bought the right tools to use. So again, that is what the caps look like. 1,500 gallon tank in our case has 3 caps, 1 inlet, 1 outlet, 1 baffle, and our 1,000 gallon tank only has 1 cap. Hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us, and we would really appreciate it. Hey, definitely check out that playlist link we had scrolling above earlier, and take a look at those other videos that will be very helpful to you. Again, thanks for watching.